Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to turn off AirDrop on your iPhone. To turn off AirDrop on your iPhone, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the settings on your iPhone. So let's open up the settings. Once you open up the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down a little bit and tap on General. So let's tap on General here. So once you tap on General, then you want to scroll down and tap on AirDrop on here. So let's tap on AirDrop. So once you tap on AirDrop, it will load up another page for you. On this page, if you check the top here, the extreme top, you are going to see where it says receiving off. I want you to make sure this thing is on receiving off. I want you to make sure you select receiving off. Once you select receiving off, it means your AirDrop is presently turned off on your iPhone. So guys, this is how you can actually turn off AirDrop on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.